Today I'm making pickled fish the way that I was taught how to make it. Let's go.
We've always been taught that ipikili is only ever eaten over the Easter period. I say that's not okay and that this is a dish that deserves year-round love. It's a bit of effort, but there's a wonderful rhythm to making pickled fish that just makes the day go by so quickly for me. Slowly cooking the onions is my favorite part. No, frying the fish and stealing one sneaky piece to hide in a slice of bread is my favorite part. Traditionalists might side-eye my recipe and identify it simply as curried fish, which isn't incorrect, but this is how my family's always done it. I know it's definitely been a case of broken telephone. The recipe was passed down from my grandmother's sister, Aunt Mari, who passed it on to my grandmother, Uncinci, who passed it down to her daughters, who passed it down to me and all my cousins. I know everyone else hated it, but I loved how the smell of pickled fish would linger on the couches and curtains long after we'd finished eating the stuff. Here it is, the best pickled fish recipe in the country, maybe the world.